Today I'll show you how to make very tender and juicy chicken dry roast recipe. Once you taste this, you will definitely make it regularly at your home. Here I've taken one full chicken that is washed and cut into small pieces. You can use boneless chicken too for this recipe. To the chicken, add 2 tablespoons of freshly prepared ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt or adjust the salt to your taste. For the chicken to be juicy and tender, squeeze and add juice from half a lemon. Mix it well. Make sure to marinate it for at least 30 minutes in case you want to make it quicker. Or you can marinate it overnight too. Next, let us prepare the masala powder for this dry roast chicken. To a spice grinder, add 2 teaspoons of whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and add 1 or 2 teaspoons of chili powder based on your spice level. For the garam masala, here I am adding 6 cardamom and 6 cloves. And then add 2 inches of cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, and 1 stone flower. Now grind these to a fine powder. We have our masala powder ready. Keep this aside. Take 2 medium-sized onions or 1 large onion. Then cut them into thin slices like this. Now heat a pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the onions. Fry the sliced onions. Fry them really well until they turn golden brown. If you do not fry them well, it will not mix well with the chicken. If you brown the onions really well, then the chicken roast will be very tasty. Now the onions are golden brown and well fried. Next, add the chicken pieces that we marinated before. Fry the chicken in high flame for 5 minutes. Then reduce the flame to low and cover the pan to cook the chicken. Cook the chicken well, and this will take about 20 minutes. As it cooks, open the lid and mix it a few times. Chicken will actually release some water and will get cooked in it. After about 20 to 25 minutes, you will see the chicken is fully cooked. Now add the prepared masala powder and mix it well to coat all the chicken pieces. Then add 3 slit green chilies, few curry leaves, and a handful of coriander leaves. Give it a mix for 2 minutes in low flame. The chilies, curry leaves, and the coriander leaves will get cooked and the flavors will all get absorbed in the chicken. Our tender and juicy chicken dry roast is ready now. I hope you make this and enjoy this fantastic chicken dry roast recipe. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.